Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 29th of March. Let's see what is in your messages today, Gemini. See what we can pick up for you. Oh, messages. I have 3 messages for you. All right, so I'm getting something about a car dealership. I'm not sure if somebody has a car in your name. I'm getting something, somebody's using you for gas. Getting something about you. Does somebody family own a gas station, or you're in some type of dealings with somebody who deals with oil? Okay. But also, I was seeing a woman last night. Her hair is very, very short to the scalp, but it's bleach, and she had on really, really caterpillar eyelashes. I'm getting a bleach hair black woman with caterpillar eyelashes. Something about this woman in a car, or am I getting something about like somebody asked you to meet them at a car dealership? Somebody's asking you to meet them somewhere where they are buying a car for themselves. I'm getting, you don't really know this person, but I'm getting some type of fraud is happening with you and a vehicle. Okay, Gemini, or you're the fraudster that's trying to take over ownership of this vehicle. I'm getting something about a car dealership. Not sure if you own a car dealership. Not sure if you might be working in sales. Maybe that's a new job market, you never knew. Somebody's a car salesman. Or I'm getting somebody brought you to buy a car. Maybe they brought you somewhere to buy a car for somebody else. But I'm getting something about you had to be present when this car exchange was happening. So let's go ahead and go into your reading, Gemini. The Lovers. We have the 10 of, yeah. You got caught. I'm getting something about the license plate number, something about the insurance. Yeah, so I'm getting the police is going to be called, the chariot. I'm getting you get caught with this vehicle. I'm not sure if you use a woman to get this vehicle to give another woman, the 10 of Swords. We also have, I'm getting you gave this woman, this girl's car. Something about you ask a girl to meet you at a car dealership. But I'm getting who's driving the car. I'm getting it's a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman driving the car. I'm getting something about the police going to pull her over. There's something about the insurance or the license plate being in someone else's name. I'm getting something about Grand Theft Auto. Yeah, the King of Pentacles. I'm getting you bought the car for this woman. I'm getting a setup. Somebody might give you a car for drive. I'm getting the car is stolen. Or something about the insurance of the car. The devil, yeah. Okay, so the couple going to get fucked. Yeah, I'm getting something about Grand Theft Auto. I'm getting this scamming couple. They're scammers. I'm getting a black man and a white woman. It's a scamming couple. I'm also getting something about a Capricorn. Capricorn, Gemini, I don't know, this is you. I'm really fearful of somebody who have Gemini and Capricorn placements very high. I'm getting you want this woman out of your life. You're going to set her up by using this fake car. This could be something about a driver's license. I'm getting you know the driver's license fake. You're going to rat out. I'm getting you want her forget. I'm getting you want this woman to leave you alone. Maybe you cannot break up with her. You're gonna have to betray her. I'm getting you're going to set her up, Gemini. Or this is you. You're getting set up. The devil. I'm getting a Capricorn. Strong. Strongly. Something about a Capricorn. And we also have the 6 of Cups. I'm getting something about, okay, no, I'm also getting this Capricorn doesn't want out. Him don't want the woman anymore. I'm getting something about what the woman did. I'm getting this couple going to get caught. I'm getting fraud. I'm also getting a Capricorn is waiting on an apology. I'm not sure. Did you disrespect somebody's wife? I'm getting you made somebody cry. You made this Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman cry. Maybe the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman is the one who betrayed you and the Capricorn knows. So I'm getting the Capricorn going to set her up. I'm getting she getting set. She's going to get set up. I'm going to set her up. I'm going to also say this. I'm getting you're dating a man. Him know. Okay, I'm getting all of these men are in the same circle. I'm getting this Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. This man, I going to ask you for come on and date with him while your other man don't know. Me getting is like this man bring it to this place and you and him is in the room naked, but him texting you, you're real man, to say, yeah, come to this location, I have your girl. Yeah, me getting something like a cheetah getting caught. Me getting something about a vehicle. Maybe there's a tracker on your vehicle. The 10 of Swords is a 2 of Cups. Yeah, literally. Me getting Capricorn, you'll catch this woman. I'm not sure. Was she cheating on you? Maybe she have another man number. Me know, let me tell you something for the record, for Scarborough to know, regardless of how I might act, regardless of how I might dress, me's a type of, that is how me know I'm single, I'm too monogamous. And people will say, Vanessa, keep your options open. Vanessa, make sure that you make sure you have a roster of men. Do not depend on one guy. Vanessa, make sure that if you're dating, you do not give up yourself easily. For why? I am going to give up myself easily. The easily I give up myself is the easier it is for me to navigate if I need to stay here or longer. I don't need to play this game with you for 3 fucking months and waste 3 months of my life. I like to see the demons right then and there. I would be the type of girl to see a man literally beating the shit out of another man. I'm gonna be like, hey, what's up? So what happened? But I'm gonna feel scared of that. I'm gonna feel like that's a red flag. Me getting y'all catch this woman. But me getting the man, me getting he is kind of pursuing her. Me getting you're gonna do a loyalty test on you. Me getting you're one Capricorn man. You're doing a loyalty test on your girl. Me getting she fail. She failed that test like a fucking COVID-19 test. Me getting she fail. You're going to catch her, or me getting if you're going on her phone. That's why before I talk about what I am doing or who am I texting, believe me, I'm not afraid to give people my phone. Most say, hey, test my phone here, take it, search it. I'm not afraid to make people search my phone. At all. You want to, as a matter of, but that's the thing nowadays, man. People not gonna ask us, I not mind. At all, I not mind. And let me tell you something, insecure men never bother me. You see, if a man insecure, so I gotta text people, I'm give him my phone and say, search my phone. If he's more insecure, he must say, you deleted all the messages. Oh, you don't want to see me today because you're seeing another guy? No, babe, I'll see you today, come. Why every time I want to see you, I have to like tell you before? Okay, sweetie, pop up. Just show up. You don't have to give me no warning. I'm getting this woman, she drastically failed this examination. We have a son, she pregnant. We're literally getting a man. Maybe getting to do a loyalty test by your girl and your girl get pregnant. Maybe your girl wanted out. Maybe she wanted out of the relationship. Maybe she felt like the Capricorn was controlling her. And me getting every time she does something, me getting somebody feel like they were walking on eggshells. Them can't be themselves around you. And I'm getting the Capricorn, you always punish this woman. And me getting she with you punish her. So the first man who show her sign of kindness, she ran to him. She got pregnant for that man. Yeah, betrayal. Because she dated him. She have a baby or she pregnant. Me getting somebody you catch her talking to another man, texting another man, or she was in a relationship with somebody. The King of Pentacles is a 7. Yeah, and me getting know you block her. The Devil card is a Strength card, and the Six of Cups is the Six of Cups is the Six of Cups. We have 66. The Six of Cups is the Six of Cups. Yeah, the Sacrifice, 66. 2 6s 12. 1 and 2 is 3. Yeah, some third party situation. I'm getting sacrifice. I'm getting in order for you to sacrifice. So I'm getting the pregnancy was a sacrifice. Or I'm getting something about a Capricorn who wants to be with you. Someone's like, you have to apologize to me first, and then I apologize to you first. It's you second. I'm kind of getting something about if I don't text you, you don't text me. You see, if the man don't text you, do not text him. You need to train. You see, because some of these men did not grow up with a father. Their mother baby them, and their mom attend to their emotions. Every little pouting, every little angriness, every little inconvenience, their mother is there to hush them. I'm getting someone's like, you never apologize to me. You're always mean with me. I am not your mother. I'm an individual human being who has thoughts, and I have traumas just like you. I am not here to play a fucking character where every time I come around, I'm happy for no blood clot reason. You feel disappointed about things, so does someone else. You feel like your feelings was hurt, someone else's feelings was hurt too. But it's like, me getting you and somebody's displaying the exact same type of... me getting it at a standstill. You feel betrayed, they feel betrayed. How could you cheat on me and get pregnant? Well, how could you abandon me? Me getting the conversation is, this is what's happening. There's no common ground. Me getting some loyalty tests. Me getting, I never really expect the girl for do it though, but she did. I'm getting something about pregnancy. Or I'm getting the woman going to be abandoned. Or something about somebody want to abandon you until you apologize to them. We have 66 here, so something have to go both ways. It's just that I'm not sure who will make the apology first. Because we have 6 here, 6 here. One more. We have the 5 of Swords. Yeah, me getting is spite. If you anytime you don't apologize to somebody, them are gonna spite you. Anytime you get somebody upset, them are gonna spite you. You might even hear what somebody was saying behind your back. It's weird because I want to say that this woman getting pregnant for another man, she actually happy about it. Me getting the Capricorn was fighting for the relationship more than her. But me getting something about the toxic behavior of the Capricorn. Me getting this man him love to spite the women he will punish you. And he's saying, oh, the reason why I punish you is because of this, and she's saying, well, the reason why I cheated is because of this. And then you're like, yeah, but I punish you. You had a baby, and it's just back and forth. And this feels really toxic, though. Gemini. The Lover's card is not here. Only the Devil. And the 2 of Cups. I'm getting something about you and a Capricorn. Or something about you trick somebody. We have Leo. You get the Strength card. We have the Strength. Yeah, this is Leo. Both of these cards are Leo cards. I'm getting something about a Leo baby. Leo. Getting a strong Leo. Something about the Sun. We have illness. So this could be something about the pregnancy. Even though you're getting you cheating, got you away from this man. 66. Maybe the man still want you and him to be a family. Right, the Chariot. Yeah, the police. Does he work for the police? I'm getting you say you feel trapped, you feel controlled, you feel... I'm getting something about a loyalty test with a Cancer woman and she get pregnant. Taurus. We have Virgo, and we also have Sagittarius. I was also getting last night, there's a Sagittarius pretending to be you. There's a Sagittarius woman who's, I'm getting she's impersonating you. I'm getting she pregnant. She have baby. I'm getting somebody pregnant again. And you're like, fuck man. Come on, like, can't you do something to like prevent it? But I'm getting you and the person is in a relationship. I don't know. I'm getting somebody got you pregnant for spite you. This could also be if somebody's a celebrity. I'm getting you don't like when you're out with them, they're hanging out with girls. So them get you pregnant so you can't come on tour with them anymore. Me getting it's about me getting the Capricorn, there's a conversation in your phone. But tell you the way how I stay sometimes. That's how I know some of these niggas don't deserve me, right? But tell them I got no frills. I got no frills and strawberry was $1.98. The way how I'm paranoid, I say I not buy it. Next thing you hear me Next thing you hear me, I say I not buy it. $1.98 Canadian dollars for the strawberries that were on sale. I never wanted, I just did not want no frills camera to say, oh, she cheated. Oh, she pregnant for another guy. I just did not want. No, I can gladly go back to No Frills and buy strawberries. Are you really happy if your man's not buying you strawberry and whipped cream? Well, I must buy it. I can't wait to find a nice blood clot man who is treating me the right way. I can buy some strawberries, cut it up. Maybe I can buy some canned peaches also, cut it up. You put some whipped cream on that and put that on your nipple. Put a little bite-sized piece of strawberry cut from No Frills and go and get you some whipped cream from No Frills. And the next man who decide to give you the world, make him lick strawberries and whipped cream off of your tits. And if him freaky, he might lick it off of your ass. I'm gonna leave it here, Gemini. The lovers is not love. We're getting this is total control and corruption. You're getting some about a police officer. I'm getting you have somebody, you have the police that watch somebody. But we have 66 here, the sacrifice. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time. Bye.